Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJSINF. This video is about to find out latecomers and leaving early employees. In this example, 8 hours is minimum to work, and for first shift 7 o'clock, second shift 3 o'clock. If any one condition is not met, then it will be considered as a latecomer or leaving early employees. First, we need to write formula if and there are two conditions, or hours should be 8 hours, then and for first shift time value should be in time value, then we have to put text, then we have to give reference of D3, then hours and minutes should be greater than time value of 7 o'clock for first shift. This is one condition. Another condition is second shift C3 reference, time value, text. Again we have to give D3 only. We need to mention hours and minutes. It should be greater than time value of 3 o'clock. To close, if also, to comma, if condition is met, the result should come. Otherwise, it should be blank. That's all. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.